Golden sun on Cornwall's clay, engines humming through the day, chrome reflections, colors bright, polished dreams in the winter light. People gather, stories told, a rust turned back to shining gold. A perfect sky, no clouds in sight, feels like the world is a running ride. Wheels at Wheal, Martyn, rolling through time, engines singing out in rhythm and rhyme. From the drone up high, the whole scene glows, classic hearts beating as the cool breeze blows. Wheels at Wheal, Martyn, memories fly, cars below and my camera in the sky. Children laughing, dogs on leads, old V8s rumbling like ancient steeds, paint jobs gleaming, bonnets raised. Everywhere you look, someone amazed. I send my drone to heaven's door. It sees a show like never before, circling wide in the summer air, capturing the magic hanging everywhere. Wheels at Wheal, Martyn, rolling through time, engines singing out in rhythm and rhyme. From the drone up high, the whole scene glows, classic hearts beating as a cool breeze blows. Wheels at Wheal, Martyn, memories fly, cars below and my camera in the sky. To Mustang roars, from British steel to American doors, a field of stories parked in rows, where every engine knows how freedom goes. And I'm drifting above it all, watching shadows rise and fall, feeling like I'm part of something grand. A chrome-lined heartbeat across the land. Wheels at Wheal, Martyn, echo the past, moments captured so they always last. The sunshine dancing on metal and pride, and me with my drone on a perfect ride. Wheels at Wheal, Martyn, days like these stay in the soul like a Cornish breeze. Sunlight spills on Cornwall's clay, Wheal, Martyn wakes a timeless day. Engines hum, their stories deep, chrome and curves in a polished sweep. The air is warm, the breeze is kind, moment carved, etched in time. Wheels at Wheal, Martyn, shining bright, dreams on four wheels in the golden light. Every line, every turn tells a tale, rolling through life on a winding trail. Of classic